So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters. Now you're gonna find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. You're gonna click on next. Wait for this to load. And now if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're gonna head it with search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.